Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in today's morning assembly, that is 29th of October. First of all, national news. In major fleet expansion, Air India expressed to add 22-24 aircraft in 2026. Cabinet approved guidelines for 8th pay panel awaited by 50 lakh employees. Adani Total Gas clocks 19% revenue growth in second quarter. Attempts to induce rain through cloud seeding in parts of Delhi on Tuesday were not completely successful. Spy with links to foreign scientist arrested had traveled to Pak, a report said. An investment in Adani is an investment in India. Investor mark Mobius mark. And now international news. Netanyahu ordered immediate powerful strike on Gaza, a new test for ceasefire. Trump danced to YMCA with Marines aboard US aircraft carrier in Japan. Pak-Afghan inch closer to open war after failed Turkey peace talks. Now sports news. Pakistan stars wear pink jersey in first T20 international against South Africa. Babar Azam brutally trolled after Dhaka T20 international return against South Africa. Shreyas Iyer was injured during the third ODI against Australia. Kerala and Karnataka reigned supreme at 31st Senior South Zone Kho Championship. 2025 Abu Dhabi T10 to begin on November 18. News related to business. Billions online as Saudi Arabia woos investors at Davos in the desert. Swiggy curates 2 lakh desk-friendly food items for busy working professionals. 95% of general AI projects are failing and markets can smell the fear. Chhat Puja festival witnessed trade worth over rupees 50,000 crore traders' body. And that's all in news. Thank you.